I'm going to show you how to make an alarm system using an Arduino. If you've lived near a transformer, you've probably heard this sound before. What you need for the circuit is your Arduino, your buzzer. Connect the circuit as follows, and let's get to coding the Arduino. This port pin is going to hold the number where the potentiometer is connected to. Each port valve is going to hold the value we're going to read from the potentiometer. Each bus pin is going to hold the number where the buzzer is connected to. And each DT is going to hold the delay value, which is 500. The next thing you have to do is your void setup. The pin mode for bus pin is output because we are going to feed out voltage to bus pin, while the pin mode for port pin is input because we are going to read value from port pin. In void loop, we are going to specify analog read port pin. The value gotten from port pin is going to be stored in port val, and that value we are going to check, is it greater than 1000? If it's greater than 1000, what do we say? We said that the buzzer should turn on it, and after it's done that, it's going to write analog read port pin, and that value is also going to be stored in port val. If the value is still greater than 1000, the buzzer will keep ringing. If the value is less than 1000, the buzzer will stop. That's what digital write bus pin low does. As you can see, when the potentiometer value is 1, the voltage is 1 volt, and when the potentiometer value is 1023, the voltage is 6 volts. So the circuit works. So make sure you subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment, and follow for more. I'm going to be posting every Monday, so please subscribe and stay tuned for more.